Hello friend, my name is David Santiago and I am the owner and founder of Scalp Solutions. And if you're a man experiencing hair loss, then you're in the right place. I want to talk to you real quick about this amazing procedure that we offer called Scalp Micropigmentation. And what we do is take pigment along with microneedles and make tiny impressions onto your scalp to create the look of short follicles, or what's commonly known to us men as stubble. Just like what I have. That's right, not only am I the founder, I'm also a client. Now, who is this procedure good for? Great question. Whether you're thinning, balding, or experiencing a receding hairline, you'll be able to benefit from this procedure, and getting started is super easy. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is schedule a free consultation. During that time, we will discuss the several hairlines we can achieve and even give you a free hairline simulation so that you can actually see what the hairline you desire will look like on you. From there, we'll schedule you for your first session and you'll be on your way to looking and feeling amazing. And if you don't believe me, then go check out our 5-star Google reviews and see what all our past clients have to say about us. So if you're ready for hair loss to be a thing of the past, then contact us at 845-218-1971. I look forward to seeing you.